we can take advantage of the Filters pane to create top-end reports in Power BI. So say, for example, if I use this bar chart visual to see how much revenue is coming from each state. So let's go and bring in revenue and go to location table to bring in states. So this gives me the revenue for all the states that we have, about 49 of them. But if I want to restrict this to show only for 5 states, for example, then I need to come to the Filters pane and ask the states to show me not all, to show me, change the filtering from basic to top N, and I will say it should show 5 top. And then by what value? I want it to show top N by revenue. So I'm going to have to drag revenue from here and drop in this box. Then I'll click on apply filter. So that's going to give me top 5 states by revenue. But then I want to make this a formula. So I need to use the top N function. So let's first of all see how the top N function works in DAX.